Alright, let's talk about how you can create a bar chart inside a cell within Excel, or what's commonly called a rep chart within Excel. So here we have some very simple data. We just have the student name and the score that they received on a test. Now here in this cell, we want to have a data bar inside these cells giving us a visual representation of their performance. So what we can do is type a simple formula. We'll type equals, and we'll use the REPT formula. The text is going to be quote, straight line, quote, just like that. Comma, the number of times will be the score, or this cell here. Then we'll go ahead and hit enter. And what you'll notice is this will create a line or tick mark for the amount referenced here, or 89. Now we can double click this square in the bottom right corner or drag this formula all the way down to copy that formula. Now what we want to do is make this look more like a horizontal bar chart rather than all of these little tick marks across this entire cell. So what we're going to do,
If you've made it this far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you're really feeling up for it.
is we're going to go up to the font here and rename this playbill. And hit enter, and then we'll align this to the left and widen this column, and you can see that our bar chart is then associated to each one of these cells. So if we go in and change this number to say 120, that will automatically update, or if we drop this back down to 30, that will automatically update for us. But there you have it. That's how you can create a bar chart inside a cell or create that rep chart within the cell. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button on your way out. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.